Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to integrate Eclipse IDE along with your DevWeb protocol of LoadRunner. So previously we have seen how to use the DevWeb protocol and create a script, but now we'll take advantage of IDE to create our scripts. So in the script creation, for generally first we need Eclipse, and next you should have a Vusion installed with latest version of 2020 or higher to support DevWeb protocol. Once you have a DevWeb protocol with a Vusion, then go to the LoadRunner program files, microfocus, LoadRunner or Vusion, and bin folder. In bin folder, you will have a DevWeb folder. So open the DevWeb folder. In the DevWeb folder, you will have the sources of DevWeb protocol, which this code is used, this library is used to compile your scripts and execute your performance scripts using DevWeb protocol. Okay, now go to the Vusion, create a simple script. Just I'm creating a first Eclipse project. Okay, now I'm creating a simple first Eclipse project. Okay, now go to the Eclipse. Now click on file, then choose open project from file system. Okay, once this pop-up comes up, click on directory. Now go to the script what you created from the Vusion first Eclipse project. Okay, select the folder. Once you have selected that, just click on finish. Now that project will import into your Eclipse, and you can see the files. So this is the main file that you can use for development of your script. Here it's for showing errors, but still you can use your code. Still you can use. We can write our code here. Load.log welcome to init. Okay, now copy the statement, paste it here. Welcome to action, and same thing, paste it here. Finalize. Okay, so now we have wrote our code. Now the task is to run this script from the Eclipse. So now go to the run. So the running the DevWeb protocol will be different than regular execution. Generally, we will click on the run button. We'll select the Java or Node.js project and we'll run it. But if we select in that way, it will fail. What we need to do is go to the run, external tools, external tool configuration. From the external tool configuration, we have a okay. I will delete this. Now we will have an option called programs. Click on a white symbol here, the plus symbol. Once you have done here, just give the name running first ECLIPC project. Okay, this is the name of your execution configuration. Now we need to copy this path where the devweb.exe file is there, and copy the path here. Next, add your complete file name exe. Okay, then working directory from which script you want to run it. So I'm selecting the first my project. Now to run it, you need to give some arguments here. One is IDE equal to Eclipse, and another is the path of your script. So this is your script. Go to the open thing, copy your file script path, and give it here. So if you see that there are same arguments that we need to provide to run your script. So once you have that, I'm clicking apply here. Apply. If you go to the run configuration or right click here, you will have a run configuration. Run configuration. Otherwise, you can do the same thing. External tools. Here we have a run configuration. You can click run. Now, yeah, you see now it was init, action and finalize. You will see all the log what you have seen here. Even you can debug your script also. Thanks for listening this, friends. Please do subscribe and share our videos. In coming up videos, we will see how to integrate with the regular IDEs like IntelliJ and Atom I and any other IDEs which we have in the market. Thanks for listening this, friends.